Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G200, and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard with an image on this smartphone. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll all the way down, select System, Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Over here go into Theme and tap on this plus sign under My Themes. Then select the photo that you wish to set up. Like that one. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally click Done and tap on the switcher next to keyboarders to switch them on or off. Lastly, just apply and go back. As you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!